Hello guys, this is another tutorial from Codeworks. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss priority queues. Let's save this file as priority queue.c. priority queue priority queue.c. Let's save it. Now let's include the header files. Hash include, let's increase the size a bit. Hash include stdio stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then void name of this int name. Let me define the structure now. Now this structure is slightly different from the other structures which you have come across. struct struct node. Okay, I'm going to speak slowly now so that you can understand better. Struct node int data. Okay, then and another integer value, the priority int p for priority. Then struct node pointer next. This would point to the next node. Okay, now since this is a queue, I need okay, let's type it first. Type struct node nolly node. Now node front and rear. Okay, and now let's define the add function. Add at front only. Okay, void add in data. Now I need another temporary pointer, node temp, which is going to store this data. Node start malloc size of node. Now data part of temp equal to this data, and next of temp is equal to null. And okay, now I need the priority as well, comma int p. I will define the priority as well. Temp p equal to p. Now what I will do is I have to find the right position of this element in the array. To do this, what do I have to do? Okay, let's say if front equal to null or rear equal to null. I don't need an or here, but I still write it. It's my style of coding. If front is equal to null and rear is equal to null, initialize both of them to temp. Front equal to temp. You can do this in one line, but I am going to do this in two lines. Front equal to temp and rear equal to temp. Okay, else if these are not the only elements, else what I'm going to do is node say ptr, node ptr equal to rear now. while what would be my condition? While the priority of while the priority of my temporary node is less than the next of that of PTR. Okay, how I'm going to structure it? Okay, let's do this. While PTR, while the next element of PTR not equal to null, means PTR is not equal to first element, or um, or P, this P or this P is is less than PTR next, then the next element of PTR's P priority. Well, this priority is while this priority is greater than, once it's less it will stop. While the priority of temp is greater than the priority of the next element of PTR, this loop would continue. What this would do is just increment the position of PTR. PTR equal to next of PTR. PTR equal to next of PTR. Okay. Now I must insert the node in between. Okay. I'm just thinking if okay, if PTR is PTR if PTR is equal to front, means if PTR has reached the front element, then simply set the next of front to temp. Front next equal to temp. If it's not the case, else what else? Else insert in between. Else I have PTR here. Okay, PTR. Let's save it actually. Let's save it as temp2, and this would be next of temp. Sorry, not next of temp, next of PTR. This would be next of PTR, temp2, and temp2 is next of PTR. Now let's do this. Let's set the next of temp to PTR, next of temp to PTR, and next of PTR to temp. PTR next equal to temp2. I'm sorry, it's temp2. This next of PTR will be set to temp2. So this would add at any intermediate position. Now I'm thinking, would it work for if the priority is the least, means it's means the priority of this node is um, the least among the priority of the queue. Would it work? Let's see this condition. PTR's next not equal to null. Let's assume this is not the case. P is greater than PTR. Okay, this is not the case then. No, it won't work. Okay, let's do something then. Let's enclose it like this. Let's cut it. Okay, let's give an else portion. I'm going to show you why. Okay, let's give an else portion. I'm going to show you why. Let's paste it here. Okay, else. Now, if what? If what? Then something. If p is less than the priority of real, if p is less than priority of real, then simply add it at the back of real. This means um, 10, okay, 10 next equal to rear and rear equal to 10. So this would perform the addition. Now let's make the print function void print function would print the priority queue node star ptr equal to rear, suppose, while ptr is not equal to null, while ptr is not equal to null, print the value printf percent d comma ptr's data, printf percent d ptr's data, then increment the value of ptr is equal to ptr's next. Okay, this does it. This would print. Now void int main function, int main, let's say return 0, return 0. Now I didn't mean to delete function because it's the same thing as a queue. You can see it in my earlier tutorials. Okay, let's save it once. Just okay, add what? Add an element, let's say 5, with the priority, let's say 6. Let's print the queue. Let's print the queue as it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have an error here. What's the error? Malloc was not declared in this scope. Why? Did I forget to? Okay, I included con, but as you can see here, guys, stdlib is important for malloc. Without stdlib, malloc and calloc functions cannot be included. stdlib.h. Now I guess I won't be encountered with this error again, and I was right. Let me show you what I've done. It's 5 with a priority of 6, and my queue should be like this, 5, and priority won't be showed. Now let's include another element, say 1 with a priority of, suppose, 2. Let's print it. Okay, yeah, 1 and 5. 1 is lesser priority, 5 is more priority. Now let's now add, oops, okay, let's now add another element, say 10, of priority somewhere between 2 and 6. Let's say 4, why not? Let's see. Okay, as you can see, we encountered an error, and this means you have to fix it. Why this happened? Okay, this part, while ptr, this thing. Okay, if ptr is equal to front else, let's indent it a bit, else not temp2 equal to ptr's next, when next of sorry, this is a mistake I've made. Next of ptr, next of ptr equal to temp, and next of temp is equal to temp2. I think this should solve our issue now, but it doesn't. Let's see why. Okay, my element is temp here. Okay, now next of ptr is temp. Okay, next of ptr is temp, next of ptr is temp, and next of temp is temp2. Okay, okay, I don't know what's there. Let me pause a bit, pause this video, and let's check and find the error. Okay guys, I figured out where the error had occurred. I will show you how I did that. See this? Okay. At each step I tried to figure out where the problem was. As you can see, 5 was added easily and 1 was added easily as well. So 1 was added, so this part is okay. That means, well, the problem was in this part. I wrote a dummy statement here, printed in here to see if the control reaches here, and it reached, it showed in here. Okay, then I printed out the value of ptr to see if ptr actually got hold of this data, if ptr actually got initialized to here, and it did. So the problem was not here. And then I printed out ptr's data at each step of the loop, and I found out the problem was not here either, but the loop could not run to all the iterations. Then I realized there must be some problem in the loop, and it was indeed. While next of ptr is not equal to null, or p is greater than next of p, means the priority is greater than next element's priority. Now, why should it be or? It should be an and, because if any of the condition fails, the loop should stop. If it's an or, if any of the condition fails, you still continue. So that was my problem. I said or, it should be and. Let's see. Okay, let's just delete all these things. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's just replace it by and let's run it again. As you can see, 110.5, the way that we expected. Let's add another element, say 4, 1, 4, 10, 5. The order in which they were inserted, it it is there in the queue. So this is how priority queue is coded, and it's not very easy, but I have tried to explain it in the best possible manner, and I hope you understood it. If you like this video, do hit like and do subscribe for more videos like this, and do watch my other tutorials on TQQ, stacks, and others, and searching, sorting algorithm, and so on. And if you have anything to say, do comment below. Thank you.